Connect your data wherever it is. Access data from hundreds of supported on-premises and cloud-based sources such as Dynamics 365, Salesforce, Azure SQL DB, Excel, and SharePoint. Ensure it's always up to date with automated, incremental refreshes. Power BI Desktop enables you to develop deep, actionable insights for a broad range of scenarios. Prep and model your data with ease. Provide advanced analytics with the familiarity of Office. Dig deeper into data and find patterns you may have otherwise missed that lead to actionable insights. Use features like Quick Measure. Explore your data, automatically find patterns, understand what your data means, and predict future outcomes to drive business results. The new AI capabilities, pioneered in Azure and now visuals from Microsoft and partners, or create your own using the Power BI open source custom visuals framework. Design your report with theming, formatting, and layout tools. The new AI capabilities, pioneered in Azure and now available in Power BI, require no code, enabling all of your Power BI users to discover hidden, actionable insights and drive more strategic business outcomes. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.